GITV is brought to you in part by Sig Sauer by Cybergun, Operation Lion Claws, G&G Armament, KJW, and G4 Airsoft. GITV would like to thank our sponsors: Condor Outdoor, Echo One USA, Contour HD, Aries by Z-Shot, and KWA.
Airsoft is an enjoyable hobby, but your guns can be dangerous if mishandled.
Please use your airsoft guns responsibly, don't take them out in public, and don't take them to your school.
Please use your airsoft guns responsibly. Do not shoot at any unsuspecting people or animals.
Don't ever look down the barrel of your airsoft gun, and keep your finger off the trigger unless you're ready to fire. Treat your airsoft guns like they're real firearms.
Please take the proper safety precautions when using your airsoft guns.
Always wear eye protection when firing your guns. Airsoft is fun, but it's not worth losing an eye.